Are your GNU Project application failing because of the GNU gettext library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. Get the professional GNU gettext library fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the GNU gettext library, an implementation of the GNU gettext library used by hundreds of cross-platform apps to manage localized text strings. If missing, the application will display gibberish instead of localized menus or crash during the language file scan on startup. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Missing or corrupted application components are the primary trigger for this error. You should reinstall the current official version of GNU Project to repair the core installation and restore the necessary GNU gettext library DLL component. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the GNU gettext library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Replacing GNU gettext library without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. To reduce startup overhead, the suggested system resource below includes information on managing GNU gettext library. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including GNU gettext library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.